Number 1, badza, badza. In English, ho, ho. Number 2, basa, basa. In English, work, work, or a job, job. Number 3, buku, buku. In English, book, book. Number 4, gumbo, gumbo. In English, leg, leg. Number 5, zai, zai. In English, egg, egg. Number 6, zuva, zuva. In English, day, day. Or sun, sun.